There's this hen with just one chick, which I gotta believe is probably the result of predation, either on the eggs or the young chicks. Just sad, but dang it. They normally have a whole brood of them, a dozen or more. I gotta believe either her eggs or the young chicks were victims of predation. But one made it, one survived. Oh, little baby. Nature can be very harsh. It's the natural order, life in the wild. It's tough out there. Hopefully this one little chick will make it. Second time I've seen them. I don't know if it's the same hen that had a brood last year that brought them around, or if it's a hen from that brood, maybe. I don't know how soon they start reproducing.